Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is OneSkill, and I have a question for you. Imagine that you will soon have to create a presentation for your school, university, or for your job. And you really don't have any time to create a presentation from scratch, and you're thinking, maybe I should buy a nice looking PowerPoint template. The question is, which one should you buy? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the stunning bundle of presentation templates called Imperia, created by Slideforest. It has 100 templates both for PowerPoint, Keynote and Google Slides. And this, my friends, might be the answer for all of your presentation needs. By the way, everyone who uses the code OneSkill will get a 30% discount. Later in the video I will show you how to use this code. But for now, ladies and gentlemen, let's just jump straight into the action and actually see what this bundle can do. So let's go to the Slideforest website, slideforest.com. Let's scroll down a little bit. And here we will find the Imperia bundle. Let's click on it. It has 100 templates, so let's just choose a couple of those templates and let's look inside. For example, the Quintus template. Here we have the screenshots of the slides. What kind of beautiful stuff we can do with this template. So let's just pick one of these slides and let's try to do something similar, something beautiful. So for example, this slide on the left with two diagonal image placeholders. So I have downloaded the Imperia bundle. All I have to do now is I have to unzip it. And now I have to find this template called Quintus. So it is in the Minimal Pro PowerPoint folder. And here is the Quintus Minimal PowerPoint template. So choose the one you need for Windows or for Apple computer, and don't forget to read through the documentation. The most important thing you have to look for is fonts. What kind of fonts are used in the PowerPoint presentation, in the PowerPoint template, because if you want everything to look nice, you have to use the same fonts. And now we'll go to the presentation folder and choose this Quintus PowerPoint template. So when you will open up the Quintus template, it will look like this. And we will actually try to do this slide that we just have picked a few moments ago. An easy way to find this slide that we have picked with those two diagonal image placeholders, just go to the slide sorter view, and this way you can quickly and easily find the slide that you're looking for. So this is the slide that we want to do, and this is how it looks like in the template. So all you have to do is basically just click on this image button, and you can choose any picture that you want to fill this image placeholder. For example, this beautiful jungle picture with a river. And here, anything else that you want. In this case, this is a beautiful photo from Bali. And for all the text boxes, of course, you can edit them as well. You can insert your own text. You can change the colors of that text. Do anything that you can do in PowerPoint. So that's cool. You can even use the eyedropper to copy the exact colors from your photos. In this case, for the 20, I have copied this blue color from the river. And for the 18, I have copied the green color from the jungle. And for this smaller text, you can as well change the color of the font. You can increase the size. And as well, you can play with the paragraph. You know how stuffed your lines look like? You can adjust that in the paragraph options. Cool, so let's say that we are finished customizing this slide. So basically we have created something like this. And as you can see for yourself, it's really easy to grab a slide and fill it with your own pictures and, you know, change the colors of the text and so on. So let's actually grab this slide now and let's see how easy it is to customize it. So again, you can use the slide sorter view to find the slide that you're looking for. In this case, again, we have some image placeholder and we can fill those image placeholders with any photos that we want. So this is the beauty of using templates, because, you know, the slide itself is already ready with the image placeholders, and all you have to do is just fill those image placeholders with photos that you love. And that's it. In a couple of seconds you have this beautiful slide. And of course the text box, you can insert your own text, anything that you need. Okay, and let's do a third slide for this Quintus template, and after that we will go to other templates. So let's do this slide with device mockups. So this is the slide that we're looking for. Just click on these image buttons and fill these devices with any photo that you want. You can actually fill those devices with the same photo, and it looks like you just showed your audience how your, for example, website or product looks like on different devices. So that's cool. And for the icons, you can change the icons, because at the bottom of the presentation you have these icon slides. So just select any of the icons that you like, hit Ctrl+C to copy, and just paste that icon into any slide that you want and use that slide. So that's awesome. So now we just hit Ctrl+V to paste the icon. Make sure that you select the icon, not the image. Okay, so here's our icon. Just grab one of the corners and drag your icon to make it, you know, the right size. And if you want to change the color of the icon, just select it, go to fill and choose any color that you want, for example this green color. And this is how easily you can customize a slide in Quintus template. Beautiful. So this was the Quintus template from the Imperia bundle. Now let's check out some other template. For example, the Ghost template. Let's have a look how this template looks like. You can see we have some beautiful slides. And let's do this one with a quote, full screen quote. So now let's actually find this Ghost template first of all in our Imperia bundle. So here it is. Once again, make sure that you read through the documentation, because it will say to you what kind of font you need to have on your computer. And this is how the Ghost template looks like. So this is the slide on the right that we're looking for. And to easily find the slide, once again, we can go to the slide sorter view and just scroll down until we see this slide layout that we're looking for. So here it is. So in this case, to fill the background with a picture, we first have to select this semi-transparent rectangle. Let's just move it somewhere to the bottom. And now let's select this text box and move it somewhere to the side as well. And now we can select the image button and fill this slide with any picture that we want. Voila! Now let's just bring this text box back to the center. We can use the align options to make sure that the text box is perfectly in the center, and let's grab this rectangle, and again using the align options, let's make sure that it's nicely in the center, because this semi-transparent rectangle, you know, darkens the photo so our text stands out a little bit better. And this is how easy it is to create this kind of slide. And of course you can edit the text boxes and insert any text that you need. Okay, let's see what kind of other slide from the ghost template we could, you know, try to do ourselves. So once again we have a slide with device mockups. Let's find it on the slide sorter view. So this is the one that we're looking for. In this case we have quite a lot of devices. And we can zoom in to better see these buttons for the images. And once again we can fill all of these devices with the same photo. So our smartwatch has the same photo, our smartphone has the same photo, our iPad has the same photo. And make sure you're using the send to front or send to back options to make sure that all of these elements look correctly. Now we fill our iMac with the same photo. Let's make sure that we select the iMac and the photo itself and send all of these two objects to back. And for the laptop we again choose the same photo, and we end up with this beautiful slide. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Imagine how much time you can save when you have all of these image placeholders ready, all of the text boxes ready, and all of the devices mockups ready. You don't have to spend time, you know, looking on the internet for all of these device mockups. You have everything in place. Just have to fill them with your own pictures. So that's really useful. And now for the last slide for this ghost template. Let's choose this break section slide and let's do it together. Because in your PowerPoint presentation you might have a section break and you might want to use a slide like this. So basically you have a photo, full screen photo, and a text box saying that this is a section break. So once again, just click on the image placeholder, fill the slide with a picture, and make sure that you send to back your picture, and now you can see the text box, and you have this semi-transparent dark rectangle which makes your photo a little bit more darker. Again, you can play with the icon and with this shape. As in the Quintus template and the Ghost template, you have all of these beautiful icons at the end of the presentation, so just grab any of the icon that you like, hit Ctrl+C to copy, then just go back to your slide that you're working on, paste the icon, make sure it's white so that you can see it. You can delete the current icon Select your new icon, drag it so that it becomes bigger, and place it in the center of this rounded rectangle. And this is what you have, your beautiful break section. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so this was the ghost template. Let's do one more template. There are 100 templates, so it will not be possible to do all of those 100 templates. But let's choose one more template that we can test out. So for example, this template called Neue. In German, I guess it means the new template, Neue template. So it's minimal, nice looking slide. And to start with, I guess we can do this slide with this, I guess it's Empire State Building. So let's just navigate our Imperia bundle and let's find the Neue template folder. Again, check out the documentation so that you make sure you have all the fonts necessary. Choose the aspect ratio 16:9. You can as well use 4:3. But now mostly everyone uses 16:9 PowerPoint templates. And now let's just look for this slide design. And I guess this is the one that we're looking for. So as always, let's just fill our image placeholder with any photo that we want. I guess in this case this photo looks and works really nice. Okay. I just want to make sure if there are any elements behind the photo. And in this slide you can see the picture is like washed out, so we can actually do the same thing for our photo. Just select the photo, go to color and choose this effect, white background. And this will make our photo look similar as in the original slide, so that's cool. And of course you can change the text boxes according to your needs. Okay, next let's do the team slide. I'm sure that you have wonderful team members, and maybe in your company presentation you might need to, introduce your team members. And here is a perfect slide to introduce your team members. So again, all you have to have is basically the photos of your team members. Insert the photos. And of course, change the names in the text boxes. And you have social media icons. So if you would actually want to add a hyperlink to any of those social media icons, so just right click on any of those icons and insert hyperlink to specific social profiles of your team members. And if you want to adjust the photos that are in the middle of the placeholders, just select any photo and click on crop. And this way you can increase the size of the photo, you can adjust the positioning of the photo, and when you're finished, just click on crop again. And everything will be beautiful. Okay, and the last slide from the Neue template that we can do. Let's actually grab a slide with maps. So let's find a slide which has world map. Yes, something like this. Now let's go to the template itself. Let's go to slide sorter and this is slide master. Let's close it. We need a slide sorter. So this is the one, and let's scroll down until we find the world map. So this is the one. We can delete these bubbles if we don't need those bubbles. Just delete them. And what's cool about this world map is that you can select individual countries and you can change the color of those countries. For example, you might have some kind of slide with statistics. So this is a perfect slide to select different countries and to present some statistics. For example, the greenest countries in the world, or anything else that you need. Change the slide title of your slide. And this was the node template. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let me actually walk you through how easy it is to buy and download the Imperial PowerPoint template. So of course, just click on the button Add to Cart. Choose the quantity that you want. Click on Checkout. Make sure that you insert the discount code OneSkill. This way you'll get 30% discount. So as you can see, the price is $39, and after you apply the code, it's $27.30. So you save $11.70. Choose your preferred way of payment. In this case, I'm using PayPal. It's really comfortable. Check out if everything is okay. Click Complete Order and click on Download button. And now you will download a file called Imperial Bundle. Just unzip it. And inside of it you'll have a link, a final link to download the Imperial Bundle. So it's going to be a Dropbox link. And from here you can download all of these files. Just click on Direct Download and you will download all of this goodness to your computer. So 100 templates. So ladies and gentlemen, this was a review of the Imperial Bundle, and I hope that it will really help you for your next big project to save a lot of time and to create beautiful slides. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.